Just explaining the process. This is the feed bunker where this saturated material is picked up through tractors and fed in here. This is the holding bunker. The holding bunker has sufficient amount of material stored in here for it to be processed for around between 1 to 1.5 hours of operation, continuous operation. This is the saturated feed material. सर जी थोड़ा हाथ में लेके प्रेस करेंगे इसको, एक मिनट इधर इसको मेरे को वीडियो में, हाँ ऑलवेज एबल टू अचीव मोर. एक बार उसको ओपन कर लीजिए. दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रेस. फिर से एक बार कर लीजिए. नहीं फिर से, अच्छा ठीक. उसको 2 बार प्रेस करना है अपना. थोड़ा कम ले लीजिए, कम ले लीजिए, कम लीजिए. हाँ आपको प्रेस करने का पाया. We see the water droplets falling out. This is saturated at around between 80 to 85% moisture. This is what it looks like. अभी आप इसको फिर से प्रेस कीजिए, फिर से प्रेस कीजिए. The second press also releases a certain amount of moisture. This is what it looks after a couple of presses through the hand. Still has some moisture. I could see a drop or two coming out of it. Now this is the system where the bunker feeds into the belt conveyor and the belt conveyor feeds into the dewatering equipment. This is the panel board for the equipment. It's driven through a electric motor, a reducer gearbox, a coupling, and then the assembly starts. This is the feed hopper of the equipment. The speed of the screw, the speed of the belt are all fine-tuned to achieve the capacity that is required of the equipment. This is then followed by a filtration screen where the actual filtration of the material happens. This is the outlet hopper. The material falls out from here. The system is then covered with, has 2 pneumatically operated cylinders which run at a low pressure of around 1.5 bars. And this is the outlet material. I'll show the outlet, a continuous stream of outlet coming out here. So the best thing is that it is a continuous process and does not require a lot of human intervention to run this. If you see, this is a continuous and a consistent flow of dry solids falling out continuously. Now this bucket holds approximately the dried material of around 14 to 15 kgs of dried material. And now if you look at it, of course it depends on a continuous feed coming in, but if you look at it, that material is the outlet of that should be done within a couple of minutes. In that case, couple of minutes or at the most 3 minutes. This is the liquid water being drained out of it. The top cover, it has a collection tray. This collection tray has a flange connected at the bottom which collects the water. So the data sometime it was 31st May 2024 and today being 27th May, I assume 28th May, which is approximately a 2-year anniversary of when we had supplied the equipment. So this equipment has been running at the site for over 2 years now. And this is the dried coco peat that we've kept in a heap here.